What is up, Lux Algo family? Welcome back to the Lux Algo live stream. We're currently in Florida, as you can see. Goodness gracious. Interesting times, but I think we need to go ahead and get bumping on this. How's everybody? Regardless of where we're at, we're streaming, my friends, every single day, 1:30 Eastern. Good to see you guys. Welcome back. I'm in a knick-knack room. I got some family photos behind me. I was going to do a beach stream, but it's not possible. I don't think it's possible. But what's up, guys? Welcome back. Today, remember, $300 giveaway because you guys did the, why is the music pausing? Are you hearing it, Skip? Either way, $300 giveaway. We're going to do the giveaways starting in just a little bit. Appreciate you all being here. I will be back on Tuesday, so we're going to be doing the giveaways and the rest of the streams here in this latest setup that we have right now. So get ready for that. It's going to be quite interesting. But I have a interesting setup. He said he's in Destin, dude. Wow, that's awesome, bro. Gold broke out. Gold had this massive breakout move, guys. That's something we're about to go over today, as well as Bitcoin kind of holding price, right? Bitcoin's holding up quite nicely. Doge made that run from Wednesday that we talked about. What else made the move? We had Solana's kind of chilling in the 180s. I don't think anything else really made a move, but Bitcoin and gold was the biggest mover we had, hitting that target we talked about. But man, what a flippin' move it just had. Welcome back. Welcome back, my friends. That being said, today is a little bit different, okay? I just literally came from the beach to do this stream with you guys. Literally just came from the stream to do this, came from the beach to do the stream with you guys. So, dedication's key. Y'all know the drill. No matter what, we're here, ready to stream nearly every day, unless I'm traveling. I can't really stream on the plane. But, oh, is Litecoin moving too? Man, it said Litecoin. So what we're going to be doing today, we don't have little Pepe because I couldn't find one that looked good enough to even have a little wheel. So we're just going to be doing a, Litecoin at 105, man, that's insane. We're going to be doing a, let me get my mouse back. We're just going to take suggestions throughout the day. P. Diddy is pumping. Isn't there like a 100 P. Diddy's? Isn't there like 1,500 P. Diddy's, bro? Let's see what else we got here. I was going to pull up, let's see. I need like some good, like I want to keep bumping, right? I want to keep bumping, but I need something that's like a whole mix. This is too chill. What is this one? I'm going to get an ad here in a second. I just know it. This one's not bad. Oh, no, I know this one. This one's good. Bet. All right. There we go. So I'm working with two monitors. One has my thing on it, so I can't see the chat sometimes. I need to pull it up on my phone. But overall, is anybody getting the audio skip? The music skip? Is that skipping for you guys, or is it just because I have a Bluetooth headset? Do you hear it skipping at all? Let me know. Let me pull it on my... No skip? Okay, bet. So it is just my Bluetooth. That's fine. As long as it's not skipping for you guys. Bet. All right, my friends. I was testing the stream out last night. Why are you being weird to me? All right, no worries. All right, guys, that being said, guess what? Today's the Friday giveaway. Y'all know the drill. First off, let's do Bitcoin predictions, okay? Right now, last week, we had to leave abruptly. We did have to leave abruptly last week. This week's going to be a little bit faster stream. It's not going to be a full stream. We'll come back Monday, but we're going to at least do the giveaway. Y'all know the drill. Go over the majors. If we have some extra time, we can go over some extras as well. But last week, Les end up being the winner. Dame said Les. I might be able to get the Who's Your Daddy button, though. Let's see.
Who's your daddy?
Dude, it's there. It's working. I literally got everything set up. On the move. Let's go. Incredible. All right, I got one button, and it's Who's Your Daddy, my friends. Insane. Insane. Okay, one sec here. Let's go ahead and run predictions. So right now, Bitcoin price still at the 69K, guys. It was roughly the same last time. I mean, what the heck? Why is it still sitting here? All right, that being said, the price we're going to go with, you'll see in just a second. If you want 100 points added to your profile, today is the last day. Maybe Monday we'll incorporate those points. I don't know entirely. If we'll incorporate those points, but today would be probably the last day before we do the Monday giveaway. And the price we're going with right now, is, do you think Bitcoin's be more or less than 69,420 blaze up? Okay, 420 blaze. Put in your predictions right now. If you are correct, you get 100 points added to your profile. And then by the end of the... Ooh, can I pin that in this chat? Is that possible? Hold on, let me make sure I can pin this. So let me... I think I got to sign into chat. Please don't quit on me. I got to pull up the chat on my desktop here. One sec. Actually, I think I'm pinning it in here. I think I can do it on my phone. As long as I'm in the... I can. Let's go. I bet I can do it on my phone. That's all I'll do. All right, guys. Yeah, you'll have to bear with me a little bit today just because, obviously, I have one screen with everything going on as well as my other computer to do the charting. But how you been, guys? We missed a day. I'm sorry. We missed a day in a long time. I wish I could have streamed yesterday, but it's kind of hard. At some point, maybe we'll do an IRL stream. You never know. Traveling with Jacob to Florida. Make sure you put in those predictions, guys. And we will continue with the stream. But is this your second home? No, sadly. Is this my elderly home? Absolutely. It's actually my grandparents' home. They're not here. They have a place in Naples. I mean, why not? Save a little money, guys. That's all what we're all about. Saving money and being degenerates on... You know, we got to save that money for meme coins. You know what I'm saying? What is Bitcoin harvesting? Please guide. What? Is this your old room? No. I wish, man. I'd love to live in Florida. We might move to Florida at some point. I'm going to give you guys just a little bit to put in the predictions. Then we're going to do the $300 giveaway, okay? But right now, this is what we'll do. While you guys are putting in those predictions, I'm going to jump over to the charting thing so we just kind of intermix everything, all right? So, remember, Bitcoin right now, I keep doing that, I have a mouse. Bitcoin right now is just chilling at 69.44. What we want to talk about is the fact that gold absolutely destroyed a new high. We discussed this all last week. Bitcoin or gold absolutely destroyed a new high. This thing is insanely ripping, and you just can't get better than that, my friends. You can see 22.33 right now sitting at that high, and our first take profit actually happened on gold for that gold trade. For some reason I'm having really bad connection issues, which I hope it's not like this whole time. When we're streaming, I'm taking up all my bandwidth. It was working fine last night. I was doing a practice stream. He said, I'm listening to you driving around Naples as we speak. That's hilarious. But yeah, guys, hit our first TP mark. We still have the 5 contracts left. We're going to see where that heads. What's interesting, though, is Adam. Remember, Adam was a little bit of a, you know, kind of a nervous move, right? But remember, on that 4-hour chart, we had that setup, right? It actually went back to break even today, almost in profit. We're still kind of chilling. Remember, we, you know, since we're trading on paper with a $1 billion account, I don't know why we've been buying like such a small amount. We're just going to go with crazy amounts now just for fun. So yeah, in this case, we're still looking for this breakout. It did set another higher low on Adam. I would like to see if it can continue through that level, but it's just Bitcoin's not going anywhere. Usually, you know, that's the driving force of a lot of these altcoins right now, but at some point we might get that set up. But overall, still in play. Gold absolutely destroyed those highs. And then Dogecoin. Remember we talked about Doge? Dogecoin, we talked about the 22s roughly. I wonder if I'm going to get off the stream on my phone, kind of eliminate some of that bandwidth. But Doge going up through the 22, 24. I wanted to look at that weekly chart on Doge. If we can get a nice... there we go. That Doge weekly, remember, we're targeting 27 if we can get there, but that 20 price there from that previous open close low there on the weekly chart was that really big move we were looking for to retest again. And it happened to do it, I think, in what, like 2 days? Yeah, it had that big breakout there in like 2 days. We wanted to see the retest like right through that high there. Insane. So we'll be looking for that 21 move or 27 move at some point. So great job on Doge too if you've been holding strong, my friends. All right, guys. Big up for the stream, baby. I want to do it'd be fun to do a beach stream, but that's not gonna work. Even though with 5G it's been pretty solid. What's our time right now? I had to check the time. Stream time. Where are you at? My stream time 14. All right. But guys, welcome back. All right, that being said, guys, I'm going to give you guys about 3 more minutes, or 2 more minutes, guys. This last 5-minute candle, here you go, 5-minute candle on Doge. For the Bitcoin predictions, make sure you put them in, type in exclamation BTC more or less. If you think it's going to be more or less than, what was the price? 69420, my friends. Bitcoin 100K, very possible. It could happen a lot sooner than you think, my friends. There's some interesting accumulation going on. I would really like to see this thing pop up to an all-time high before the halvening, but we'll see, man. 70K holding just fine. Minute 20, guys, to put in those predictions. Then we're doing the giveaway. Do you have a spare room? Jacob said, Fam said, do you have a spare room? Come on, man. You can stay here. How about that? You can stay in this beach house. Maybe someday. Goodness gracious. What about the 1618 ATH to low? We can look at it. P. Diddy is my hero. Which one of you? What? P. Diddy's my hero. Dude, get out of here. Come on, man. Grab a beer and chill. I did have a beer, but I don't know if I can drink on stream. I will have to talk to corporate. I have the same drink, dude. What do you think? I'm addicted. I'm addicted to Alani's. I'm addicted to caffeine. All right, 25 seconds, guys, to put in those predictions. 25 seconds to put in those predictions. What's up, Trading? How you doing, buddy? Guys, in just a second, we're going to be doing that $300 giveaway. Jacob, what's your favorite car? So, if I ever get like a supercar, which I'm not a huge fan of supercars, but if I ever get one, I'd get an Aston Martin. I'm not a big Ferrari or Lamborghini type of guy. I'd probably get an Aston Martin. All right, guys, closing down Bitcoin predictions, so we're going to start the giveaway, my friends. Closing down right now. Okay, that being said, really, very, very quickly, my friends. Very, very quickly. Hold on. Very, very quickly. Let me see here. Can I pull up? Let's pull up. I want to show you guys something. So, in just a second, we're going to be doing the $300 giveaway. But if you go to the YouTube channel and I think I have to do it on the actual thing here. Yeah. How are we doing? If you click this join button right here and you join the HODL gang, okay? If you click that join button, you join the HODL gang right now, you will get 2 extra entries on today's giveaway. If you join the HODL gang, it's literally $1. You get 2 extra entries. All the people you see with the green names get those 2 extra entries today. But yes, you get those 2 extra entries so long as you join the HODL gang. Just click that button before you enter today, and there you go, my friends. All right. That being said, let's get to the giveaway, guys. Come on. Y'all know the drill. Let's get to the giveaway. All right, giveaway. In just a second, you'll see a command pop up. You just have to plug it in. It's going to be a little bit shorter today, guys. Remember, we're going to do about an hour 15 stream, okay? And then Monday, we'll be back a little bit longer stream. I have more time. All right, guys. Starting the giveaway now. You'll see in just a second it pop up. All you have to do is type in exclamation 100 to be entered into the giveaway, okay? There's going to be 3 winners picked at the end of today's stream. And if you are a HODL Gang member, you get 2 extra entries, okay? So make sure you join the HODL Gang before you enter. But you also get 2 extra entries every single Friday. So make sure you hit that as well. Very, very helpful. So, my friends, that being said, while you guys are running that giveaway, let's get it. Let's go. I got to get back to the stream thing. There we go. Bet. All right, bet. Let's get it. So, today what I'm going to do is I'm going to go through all the majors, okay? By the time I'm done with all the majors, I'm just going to take y'all suggestions. We don't have a wheel. I was going to do some fancy like pick thing, but we don't need to get fancy with it, guys. We're having a good time at the beach. We're relaxing. And we're going to get into some charts, my friend, because you can't step away. That's just the best part about crypto. You can't step away. Okie dokie. All right. That being said, let's start with Bitcoin, my friends. Let's start with Bitcoin. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to dim the music down just a tad, okay? Just a tad. I don't know why it's skipping for me so much. Okay, bet. All right, guys. That being said, weekly candle so far has got 2 days and 6 hours on Bitcoin. We are holding up over that 65,500. We talked about the 65,500 about 50 times. Maybe more than that. Probably 2 billion times. Do I think Sol is forming a symmetrical triangle? Well, we'll look into it, my friend. We will look into that. I promise. All right, guys. That being said, though, 73, what is that high? I think that comes from that daily. Daily open close high, right? Daily open close high sitting there on the daily at 73,046. I would really like to see that. This, obviously, price hold up on this imbalance here, get up to 73.46. That's going to be our first overall target on the Bitcoin daily. If I go to that Bitcoin weekly chart, though, guys. Load. All right, there we go. Beach problems. Okay. If we look at the weekly, though, we can see 73.04684. That is sitting, you know, not even at the high. So the high of the weekly, right, was 73.835. We would want to see, honestly, this week, if we can get a closure above that 73.046 to a new all-time high, right, I think we're going to have probably that move to 80. I don't think 75K is going to be that big of a problem. But again, the biggest focus is making sure we're holding up over 65,500. So we hold up over 65,500 and continue to do that. That comes from that 2021 open close weekly high. So you can see the massive lower wick that we had here, right? Massive lower wick, and we decided to close back over that today. That's absolutely insane. So if we get that closure in 2 days and 6 hours on the weekly, so long as it's above that open close 69K, I think we're going to have a really good, strong week in the next week. Ideally, if we want to get like nearly a guaranteed probably breakout run, this week we have to close over 70,200, okay? We go over that, that's this week's high here. The last green candle's high is 70,200. If we can get up over that, would be very, very solid for a really big push. Guys, giveaway going on right now. Make sure you type in exclamation 100 if you can have a chance to win $100. Make sure you also join the Discord to claim your winnings if you are a winner at the end of the stream, okay? So that being said, let's keep going. If you're a HODL Gang member, you also get 2 extra entries. Hopefully today we get a HODL Gang winner. That'd be lit. That'd be lit. All right, let me see here. 65,500 is still that big watch, man. Weekly chart is just so nice. It's so nice. That being said, let's go over to Ethereum. Get through as many charts as we can today. Hopefully the computer doesn't kill me, because it is slowly loading. There we go. Where's my lines? There they are. Appear. You appear right now. And I'm drawing more lines. All right. That being said, guys, 3,500. Remember, that's that open close weekly high sitting right here back in April of 2022. Guys, that was a year ago. Come on, man. Come on, man. We're right back to it a year later. You got to love that. You can't cycle and play, baby. Let's see that 4K run. Okay, so I would really like to close over 3,500. That would be awesome. I don't like that we're completely back down under that price right now. Yo, Sam, welcome to the HODL Gang, my friend. Yo, applause for Sam. Welcome, buddy. Welcome. Sam just locked in 2 extra entries to today's giveaway, so long as he joined the HODL Gang before he entered. But that being said, Sam, even if you didn't do that, you didn't get your 2 extra... Actually, it might give you those entries. Even if you didn't get your 2 extra entries, we will make sure that... we will make sure that we get you guys... obviously, every single week you're going to get those 2 extra entries regardless, so... Good work. Good work. All right. All right, my friends. ETH on the daily, though. We want to see this thing continuously trade through the 3,500 level, okay? So if this thing can finally get up over that, we do have a previous lower high that needs to be broken here, right up here at 3681, right? 368190. If it can actually break out of that price, in the next few days, that would be really nice. We want to see that weekly close over that 3,500 level. So that being said, not too bad, my friends. Not too bad. I think it's going to load. There we go. So, that being said, the weekly, yet again, the biggest thing I would really want to see is on Ethereum, this high here of 3642.56 to close over. If we can get a closure over that 364256, that would be overall the best price to be closing over. Hopefully we can get that closure above that this week. If not, at least over 3,500 would be very nice. So really, really focus on that. Let's jump over to Solana now. All right, guys. All right. So Solana. Okay. So Solana this week, I really want to see this thing close over 200. Okay. $200. We got 201 sitting here right now, right? This week would be nice if we close over 200, but regardless, if we close over that weekly high right here of 173.65, then that would be ideal as well. So again, we do have this weekly level that's very strong on Solana, right? 173.65 would be that very strong level here for this to close over. We just need this thing to retrace back down to 173.5 if it does on the weekly here, and then bounce and then continue back to 198. So if that happens, we could have a pretty mega move, right? We could have a very nice move in that case. Solana, remember what we talked about, though, on the daily? We really wanted to see a bull flag formation, and it so happened to kind of play out. But the problem is I wanted to see that lower low before we made that breakout move, but we decided to make the breakout move. We're trying to find support on it now. So right now, again, so long as we hold over that 173.65, I think we're going to have some nice consolidation and then a continuation through that 200 mark. Remember, the meme coin market is absolutely exploding right now. So long as we see clean consolidation, what's going to happen is you're going to see these oscillators settle off. Like, this is still playing nicely on the oscillator above that 50 level right here. So I'd really like to see this thing wants to continue to hold up over 50 and then eventually break out through that 200 level, right? So right now, as long as it's over 173.65, guys, I think you're pretty solid. 4-hour play. Let me see here. It needs to probably break structure for us, but it did find that support right there above that previous lower high trend there. So above this very minor 4-hour trend, found support here. It's kind of consolidating. I would want it now to break out over 191, but overall still leaning mega bullish on Solana, especially with like the daily chart here. I would like to see this breakout support and run. So 186. But again, so long as it's above 174, 173.5, you're pretty much going to be looking really solid for Solana to probably go up, hit through 200. If it breaks through 200, we're going for 225, okay? BCH hit 600. No, it didn't. Yo. Oh, my goodness. Oh, my goodness.
Who's your daddy?
How many times do I gotta click it? Click it again. It's loading. It's just the same audio track. You can do it, buddy. Come on. Let's just. Okay. Well, I gotta reload the audio track. Guys.
Who's your dad? Who's your daddy?
There we go, guys. I cannot. Hopefully, some of you hit this thing. Oh my gosh. What an insane move. Guys, we talked about this trade setup. We talked about how insane this setup could be. We discussed the opportunity of hitting 600 on BCH. Our trade entry was sitting right here at 432, my friends. That is now $170. $170 move on BCH since we made that call out. Absolutely insane. Great job, guys. Great job if you hit that. Pump Chainer, I know, was our main player on that. But great moves, guys. Why do we target that? Well, again, we said bottom that order block. Next up is 681. Okay, that's open close, a high right there at 681. All right. So 681 sitting nicely. Man, oh man, what an absolute tear up to 681. That's what I look for on BCH. Great job if you traded that with us and watched it. Let's go over to gold, my friends. Gold here. Let's talk about gold. So gold, yet again, another trade that we are absolutely destroying. Let me go to the daily. Or let me go to the actual gold pair. Absolutely insane. All right, guys. So, gold, right? Gold breaking 2,200, and then it's setting a new all-time high. I mean, can't get better than that. What do we see on the daily? We saw our same setup that we liked. This is why we took it and why we were patient, right? The daily is more confirmed and why we're still holding some. Daily here, lower highs, lower lows. Lower lows, lower low, break here. Goes up, sets a new high, comes back down, creates that turning point. We took our entry roughly on this candle right at this level here, about 2180. We were looking for that new all-time high break, and we just got it yesterday. So overall, that was the best setup we've had in a while. Gold, not much I can target now. We threw all-time highs. You just let it ride, my friends. We took out a good bit of it right at that initial 2208 open close daily. It was a week 4-hour high. Sorry. Open close 4-hour high is what we took that initial trade out of. Now we're just holding the rest. In my opinion, right now, I'm just going to move my stop right here to right below kind of that higher low that got formed with that gap up. But that being said, we took some off right there at 2208, and now we're letting the rest ride. This is insane. We've been absolutely destroying these trades, my friends. You can pull fib on it. I mean, you could probably do a fib extension, but honestly, who really knows? Who really knows? Just let it ride, keep upping your stops, and then decide on where you want to take profit at some point. But gold absolutely ripping here. Let's go look at guys. If you want to enter the giveaway, type in exclamation 100 here. We're gonna call the stream in about 15 minutes. I gotta go help at the beach, I guess. But you know, I'm here. I'm at the beach with my family, trying to have a nice time, and I'm streaming for you guys. So I appreciate you being here. I wanted to make sure we got the giveaway in, but I'm gonna give you guys about, I don't know, like 10-15 more minutes, and then we're gonna pick our winners, and I'm gonna roll out. Okay. So I appreciate you. But overall, right now, let's take a quick look at some guys. If you want anything specific to analyze, throw it in the chat. Let's go over it now, and make sure you enter that giveaway. We'll pick our winners, and then I gotta bounce. Okay. But I appreciate you guys being here. Of course, man. I want to give you guys the giveaway. I'm sorry that it's half the time, but sometimes scarcity is good, right? Adam, he said. Adam for Charles. Adam, we looked over that a second ago, man, because we're in that Adam trade due to that 4-hour setup, right? So the 4-hour setup on Adam, right? We were talking about this higher low for that kind of stop point. We'll talk about that a little bit more. Still currently in this trade, right? Remember what I talked about on Adam, where it wasn't one of our normal setups, right? Normally, what we like to see is like always lower highs, right, to lower lows. But notice structure broke here, came back down, set a high low, and kept going. We actually got a nice turning point through this high here, and then a nice bounce back with very strong overflow on the money flow, right? Which is that middle thing. So it actually wasn't our perfect setup we always look for, but it ended up flipping the money flow and finding support with a new trend, because if you look at the lows here, you can see it was already trending up before this happened. So we're going to take this into account depending on how it plays out. But right now for Adam, we're still looking for this breakout move. We're going to see 13. Right now, let me go to the weekly. Right now, our target on Adam is, you can see right there. I think that's from the daily, actually. I think I just moved it, actually. Let me see. 14.4. Yeah. So, right now, yeah, my target's going to be this level of open close highs on the daily there at 14. I probably go 14 even, bottom of the order block as well. Always good to go even numbers if it's close. So 14 even, I'm probably going to take out half, though. I'll remodify that order. But right now, it's still looking pretty solid there on that 4-hour chart for a continuation. That's why I said watch that higher low there, and we'll go from there. But Adam right now, still that upside 14. But again, that wasn't necessarily the same setup we always look for It was a little bit different. I wanted to take it because it looked strong, and it could still play out strong. So we'll be waiting as well. We just looked at BCH, Sortic. You missed it, man. We just looked at BCH. Anything else y'all want to go over? Throw it in. We got about 8 more minutes here, guys. We're gonna pick our winners, and I'm gonna bounce. All right. Appreciate y'all being here. FET AI. Let's go over to FET. FET AI. All right. Yo, skip this garbage. Skip this garbage. What is this song? Let's jump forward here. All right, that's better. Kind of. Let me skip it up a little bit. There we go. Much better. All right, my friends. Fetch, right? Fetch on the 4 hours coming off. Guess what? We have a high to play off of right now. We got a 4-hour high sitting right here, right? I do Control J. Is it Control or Option? It's Option J. I'm on my Mac. So here you go. That's the price point we watch right now. We're already getting that bounce point, right? You're already getting the bounce off that 309, 310 level. I would want to continue to see that. What else do you see, though? The only problem I don't like is that we had a little bit of a retracement here, but still a bull flag type formation for a nice little reset and rally, right? If we go to that daily time frame here on FET, remember, we're at all-time highs again. The biggest watch right now, when you're at all-time highs, guys, when you're at all-time highs on anything, always watch to see if it forms structure over previous highs, right? That previous high on FET right now is the 308 level, right? This is the 308 level right here. That is where you want to watch for the retest and hold above the 308.03, okay? So if that happens, watch. I would wait for the, the high break yet again, which is, what, above 348? Wow, what a mover. That $3 level was pretty psychological. This already had a bull flag break on FET, and I'm pretty sure we discussed that quite a bit on that daily time frame. But overall, this thing, so long as it's up above 310, you're looking good. Well, I would hold it over 310. Could you please check INJ? I got you. I got you, Nadora. INJ. Guys, get your entries in. Exclamation 100 if you want to be a part of this giveaway. We got about 6 minutes left. Got about 6 minutes left, my friends. We'll be picking winners. Pump Channel, we went over Doge a second ago, but we can go over it again. But overall, guys, let's look at the weekly on INJ. INJ still consolidating, man. There's not much to discuss. There's not much to discuss here. You want to make sure you break out to either side. That's the problem. The weekly time frame is actually lined up quite nicely. The weekly time frame is lined up really nicely, to be honest. I would want to see this thing holds up over 32 for a while, right? This is, long, in my opinion, it's a little, this is a fresh, let's say, traded coin right now. The fact that it's at $36 seems that it has decent value. So long as it right now holds up over 32, I think you're going to be solid. This is just consolidating. If we go to that daily time frame, like I said, we can go to, let's go, fixed range profile. And we discussed this a bit. It did have the breakout, which is the only thing that's kind of a bummer. It had a breakout move and then decided to come back down off of that. But that was a while ago. Look what happened, though. Look where it rejected is the high of that volume range. So if ever on a daily or 4 hour, you have this really in-line trading range, more than likely, you want to wait and then see if it wants to break out of these that value range, because if it doesn't, it's going to do this right here. It's going to reject that exact level where the highest traded volume was, which is usually in that value range. So that's why these boxes are nice to have. That being said, so now I just want to get up over 41.23 for that continuation. If that doesn't happen, let's see if it finds support on 34. But remember what we said, 32 would be that price point on INJ that I'd be willing to hold, because consolidation is always good. If it holds and consolidates on a very clean level for a while on a daily or a weekly, a lot of the times people like that value, right? They like the value. They want to keep it there until the next, buying push happens, right? Check on one, please. I see a bull flag on Doge 1 hour. One. Ed Edwards wants one. Let's do one. Guys, we got about, let's see here. Got about 3 minutes left on the giveaway, okay? Then we're going to pick our winners. I'm going to go help at the beach, and then we'll be back on Monday, okay? We'll be back on Monday. All right, one daily. Wow. What happened to my mouse here? There we go. Oh, mouse is a little crazy. Hold on. Bear with me. There we go. One daily chart, right? We have, kind of a bull flag as well forming here. You can see we already have, for some reason. Oh, I don't think I meant to do that. One overall, this is a very wide range bull flag, which means on the weekly it could be bull flagging, right? Which kind of is. But let's see where the weekly is at, right? I'm assuming this is the one you want to look at, right? This is the one you want to look at. So you have a little bit of a range here. I would watch this area too. On one, you have 2 open close weekly highs here in that 3-cent range. This thing holds over 3 cents. Is probably going to make its move to 4 at some point. Lovely bullish price action. Money flow is still bearish on the weekly, which means it's coming out though. Look how it's coming out of that bearish state on the money flow for 1. If it holds over 3 cents, dude, I think you're solid. I would watch this higher low here at 2.5. But overall, I mean, you can see there the high that's like 2.6. Overall, the biggest thing is watching that 3-cent hold. But you could give it down to that 2.6 again this low. If it breaks that structure, though, I would be skeptical. But there you go. There's your upside. There's your upside daily target of 4.4 on 1. VELO. So yeah, watch for that continuation. But overall, this is nice little price action pattern. To actually set up for another breakout, okay? So this is a similar type of bull flag pattern. If this were to be a bull flag, though, it would have to set a new low. But as long as it kind of comes up, maybe sets off 21, I would honestly want it, though, to hold up over 26, and I think it will have that room after that. But we'll keep an eye on it. It is setting a lower high right now on the daily. This guy went in VELO. Let me see here. Oh, yo, this thing's cranking. Guys, we got about 2 minutes left, okay? 2 minutes left on the giveaway. And then we're going to pick our winners. And then I got your boy got a bounce. Okay, so this is actually interesting because this thing's already spiked before. But notice here we got an open close period right here where this order block is coming from at 9.3. What I want to see this thing is get through that high first of 1 cent. If it gets through 1 cent, I'm targeting this level right here at 139, okay? That's your biggest move, and what you want to watch for right now is that 139 touch on the weekly, daily time frame. I can't tell if this volume's any good. Man, it finally got some volume, so you actually might see that move here sooner than you think. Watch for those structure points to keep holding. Watch for it to hold over this 7-1 here, and then continue from there. Let's see what else we got here. Guys, let's do one more, okay? Send one more in the chat, and then we're going to call it a stream, and we'll pick our winners, okay? What do you want to go over? There's a lot of turning points on this one. The first 2 people to say the same thing. First 2 people to say the same thing, I'll go over. I see Rio by 1 person. Crude oil. Ondo. Rio, same person. Oil. Brad, you want oil too? You guys both, Cyrox and Brad want crude oil. I'll do crude oil. Let's do crude oil. Where is crude oil? And then we'll go over render. We'll go over crude oil and then we'll go over render and then we'll be done. And we'll pick our giveaway winners, okay, guys? So make sure you enter the giveaway if you haven't already. Ooh, crude oil with a breakout. Remember what we said about crude oil, though? Remember, we said this thing is in a very nice daily uptrend. We talked about low production this beginning first quarter. And price would increase because of that low production, right? Okay. So that being said, low production predictions, the overuse of oil right now in the first quarter is driving this price more than likely. I could go back and look at it. But overall, it is trying to break out. Now, remember, today is a closed day. Today is closed. The markets are closed today. But here you go. Biggest thing is holding up over this area here. It needs to hold in the 80s. I would honestly want it to hold above 81.65. If it could hold above 81.65, then I think this thing could actually go up to that 88. Remember, our upside target was always 88. We're looking for that 88 move. But overall, that daily trend is intact. When that daily trend is intact, it's more than likely going to continue to follow it. So really follow along that. You need to have this break of structure, though, get confirmed, which I think it did barely at 83.12. So next week, let's keep a close eye on it. But it looks like you maybe could have some resistance at 85. I would target 85 first and then 88. XLM from Ed. We already went over one for you, Ed. I'm sorry. I just don't have much time. Okay. Guys, should we do the giveaway? Are we ready for the giveaway, guys? Should we do it? If you type in exclamation 100, you did get entered. Should we do the giveaway? I think we should do the giveaway. All right, let's do it. All right, so, guys, y'all know the drill, okay? First off, the ending. I appreciate you all being here. I'm sorry for the short stream, but I am at the beach. I'm going to go enjoy the beach with my family. I got to go help them out with some stuff. But we're here every day as much as we can be, making sure we're streaming regardless of where we're at, Monday through Friday, all right? So appreciate everybody that joined today. Sorry for the short stream. But we'll be back Monday, hopefully with a longer stream. I'll still be here, but Tuesday we'll be back at home, ready to continue the normal stream. That being said, I'm going to close down the giveaway in about, I'm honestly, right on the beat drop, I'm closing on the giveaway, okay? We got 278 entries. All right, 278 entries. Let me pull up the chat on my phone. All right, guys. I gotta get my chat up again. All right, closing the entries. Here we go. If I can enter. All right, my friends. Just closed Bitcoin entries. Just closed Bitcoin entries. Just closed giveaway entries. Here we go. Picking our first winner, my friends. Picking our first winner right now. Here we go. First winner is Eric. Eric, buddy, congratulations, man. Eric, you just won $100. Guys, make sure you join the Discord and reach out to me in order to claim your winnings, okay? Great job, Eric. Congratulations, my friend. You just won $100. Here we go. Next winner. Let's pick it, baby. Who's up next? Anis. Anis, congratulations, man. Congratulations, Anis Jamil. Anis Jamil won $100. Make sure you join the Discord. Guys, can you ping exclamation Discord in the chat so they know where to join it? Everybody ping exclamation Discord. Congratulations. Sorry, I'm looking at the thing here. Thank you, guys. Appreciate it. Make sure you do that right now, okay? Guys, now I'm going to pick one last winner here. Here we go. Simon. Congratulations, Simon. Guys, make sure you join that Discord link right there. Simon is our last winner here. Congratulations, my friend. Guys, that's it for the stream. On Monday, remember, on Monday, we will be doing the top 10 viewer giveaway. So I will be taking our predictions. Right now, it's 69625. 69625. What was that for the predictions on the queue? What was that? Let's see here. 6965 is more. More is our winner, my friends. More is our winner. Congratulations to all of our winners in today's giveaway. Appreciate you all being here. And guys, have a great weekend. I'll see you guys on Monday. I appreciate you. I love you. And let me get this ad off here. What is this ad? Oh, great song too. Great song. All right, guys. I appreciate you. Have a great weekend, okay? And I'll see you all very, very soon. Congratulations to our winners again. Make sure you join the Discord and you reach out to me, Jacob Luxalgo. I will, if for some reason we don't get in contact, I will make sure to get in contact with you, okay? I'll make sure to get in contact with you. I will see you guys very soon. Love you. Peace. Thanks for joining. See you guys Monday.